Hi, this is Francis Masson from the Computarium. This is a very short video showing a working TI-30 scientific calculator from 1976 that I restored. The repair was easy to do as only one row of keys did not work and needed a bit cleaning. Let me just show, this is the calculator shutting off and going into a strange mode, resting mode, after about 30 seconds. I will calculate the division 355 to divide by 113, and this is an approximation of pi that you may see. What's strange is that the calculator takes a lot of time in calculating, for instance, the lock. So I press the lock key and you see it takes about half a second before getting the result. So there is a noticeable delay. Also, a very nice feature, I try to calculate the lock, impossible lock of 0, and it shows a very nice error message in its tiny LED display. This machine works with a 9-volt battery, and it was one of the very first very affordable scientific calculators from, as I said, 1976, TI-30. Thanks for watching.